How efficient is your furnace? Are you curious about how well your furnace is performing? Understanding the efficiency of your furnace is key to saving energy and reducing your carbon footprint. Let's break it down together. Furnace efficiency is often measured by a rating called Annual Fuel Utilization Efficiency, or AFUE. This rating tells you what percentage of the fuel your furnace uses is converted into heat for your home. For instance, if your furnace has an AFUE of 90%, that means 90% of the fuel is turned into heat, while the remaining 10% is lost. Modern furnaces are designed to be more efficient, with many achieving AFUE ratings of 90% or higher. Some advanced models can even reach up to 98% efficiency. This means they use less fuel and can lower your heating costs. However, it's important to remember that AFUE ratings do not account for all the heat losses in your home. A significant amount of heat can escape through your air duct system, which can account for up to 35% of total energy loss. So, even if you have a high-efficiency furnace, it may not perform well if your ducts are not properly sealed or insulated. This is where a home energy audit comes into play. A home energy audit can help identify where heat is being lost and suggest improvements. It's a great way to ensure that your entire heating system, including ductwork and insulation, is working efficiently. Regular testing of your furnace can also help maintain its efficiency. This testing usually involves checking flue gas temperatures and carbon dioxide levels to see how well the furnace is burning fuel. By adjusting the burner settings based on these tests, you can increase efficiency by a few percentage points, which can lead to substantial fuel savings over the heating season. Choosing a high-efficiency furnace and keeping it well-maintained are important steps in reducing your carbon footprint. Additionally, addressing heat loss through duct sealing and improving home insulation during a home energy audit can further decrease energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. To sum it up, your furnace's efficiency is primarily measured by its AFUE rating, with modern units achieving between 90 and 98% efficiency. To maximize savings and minimize environmental impact, consider the entire heating system, including ductwork and insulation, and perform regular efficiency testing and maintenance. This approach aligns with sustainable living and reducing your carbon footprint.